And in today's video, we'll remember moments at the waterfalls in the cities of Sao Tome Das Letras, Campo Belo and Araxa. Optimized video remembering moments. The full video is on the channel. Watch all the videos and learn more. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Welcome to the Trail of Life channel.
Continuing my journey, I explored the waterfalls that surround Sao Tome Das Letras. The View de Nueva waterfall, with its crystalline waters falling from a vertiginous height, looked like a living painting. The Ubios waterfall, on the other hand, provided moments of serenity,